Hey, it's been a while since you saw my face. I haven't been doing so great, so I took a little break. A lot of people are saying some things about me that aren't quite true. It doesn't matter if it's true, though, just as long as it's entertaining to you. Right? You guys having fun? On aboard the toxic gossip train, dragging down the tracks of misinformation. Toxic gossip train, got a one-way ticket to manipulation station. Toxic gossip train, the media tries to hand grasp me for my past. These rumors look like facts. If you don't mind the gaps, I won't survive the crash. But hey, at least you're having fun, right, Kyle? Fuck you, bitch. Hi everyone, I've been wanting to come online and talk to you about a few things. Even though my team has strongly advised me not to say what I want to say, I recently realized that they never said that I couldn't sing what I wanted to say, so here I am, and today I only want to talk about the facts, so I hope that you're willing to listen. Here we go! Many years ago, I used to message my fans, but not in a creepy way like many of you are trying to suggest. It was more like a loose kind of way. I was just trying to be besties with everybody. Including Butters. It was kind of like when you go to a family gathering, you know, when there's a weird aunt there who keeps coming up to you and he's like, "Hey girl, what's the tea?" And you're like, that was me. But in the group chat with my fans, it was weird. I've been sharing my life online for 15 years, pouring my life heart out to you. Because of that, I feel like I'm talking to my friends. But at the beginning of my career, I didn't really understand that maybe there should be some boundaries there. There were times in the DMs where I would overshare details of my life, which was really weird to me. I haven't done that for years. You should see what I changed my behavior and took accountability. But that's not very interesting, is it? So let's go on the toxic gossip train. Locomotive fused with hateful accusations. A toxic gossip train. Simmer over someone's reputation. Toxic gossip train. Hop aboard because you lose your lies. Otherwise realize train's made of lies that the person you despise maybe didn't deserve to die. But hey, at least you're having fun, Kyle. No, serious, I do think it's really important to hold people for accountability, but you know, we should hope that everyone can learn from their mistakes and to grow and change their behavior and be a better person. This is something that I've always tried to do when I make mistakes, and it's something that I will continue to try to do. What? I couldn't hear you. I thought I wanted me to take accountability, but that's not the point of your mob mentality, is it? No, your goal is to try to ruin the life of the person who spies while dramatize their lies, monetize their demise. Yeah. Fuck you, Kyle. I can feel it already. I hear the comments on this video. He's gaslighting, manipulating, he's a narcissist, he's a fat fuck. But no, I'm a big posy bitch! You suck my fucking balls, you fucking asshole! No, we ain't gonna do this shit! No, fuck you, Kyle! I mean, you know what, fuck it. Bring out the daggers, made from your fucking perfect boss and sound me repeatedly moaning well back. And you make sure that you're disappointing my silly little song. I know you wanted me to say what was 100% in the wrong. Fucking Kyle! I'm sorry, I'm not gonna take that route. I'm admitting to my lies and rumors that you made up for clout, Kyle! Hey everybody, I found someone new to harass. He did something that I do that I not like in the past. So everybody gather around because we're about to attack. But it's not based on facts. Oh no. Your load of lethal weapon is your fingers and the keys, and you don't need any armor when you need to hide behind a screen to shoot me down with a quick click and damn. Reputation is decreased. I also wanted to take a minute to talk about the girl, Miranda Sings, you know, the one, yeah, she's crazy, she's a bitch. She did what she did, but I don't give a fuck. I'm over here singing the song, making fun of her. But you know, Kyle, he's a fucking Jew. I don't care. We're gonna go about this shit. Fuck yeah. Fuck everybody. Fuck this shit. Fuck everybody. Fuck everybody. Fuck you, Kyle. I'm fucking done. No, I'm not doing this shit anymore. You know what? Fuck it. Brothers, restart the fucking track. Please. I made some jokes in poor taste, yeah, like Scott Tenorman. Doesn't really matter what my intention was, because it seems everyone's already decided on that. But let me tell you, it's not very fun to have millions of people all over the world call you the most vile, horrendous, disgusting, life-ruining words that a person could be called, in my opinion. I mean, it doesn't really matter that these things are true. Everyone just believes that, and you're just the type of person who manipulates and uses children. So I just wanted to say that the only thing that I've ever done was get Canada blown up. No, that was Kyle, my bad, that was Kyle. Sorry for bringing up to protest. But killed my dad, which was Scott Tenorman's dad. And there's a lot to go over, actually. I better not. Nah. So, even though I know this video won't change anyone's mind about me, I still felt it was important to come on here and defend myself a little. Take accountability, and I also wanted to say that anyone out there who was ever supported me in any capacity, I really, really appreciate you. Thank you. And Kyle, fuck you. For what it's worth, I never had any bad intentions, but I do feel like shit. The toxic gossip train, jogging down the tracks of misinformation. Toxic gossip train, got a one-way ticket to manipulation station. Toxic gossip train, you led me to the tracks and harassed me for my past, Kyle. Rumors look like rocks when you don't mind the caps. I won't survive in the crash, but hey. I hope you had some fun. Thank you, Kyle. Actually, you know, I feel like maybe I should let you guys know something. It seems like maybe you're confused about something. I don't know. Let me try to help, Sometimes people make mistakes and it doesn't make them a horrible person. Whoa. Sometimes people can make a mistake and they're still a good person. Crazy, I know. Sometimes people can make a mistake and now you don't have to take that mistake. Oh no. Twist it up and ride it, add some lies to it and pulverize. Sabotage someone's life and ruin their life and oh no. Sometimes people can make a mistake and it doesn't mean you gotta send them a hate. Oh no. Okay. Sometimes people can make a mistake and you kinda let them know and help them. Sometimes people make mistakes and simply because they made a mistake. Simply because they made a mistake. And the mistake doesn't make them a terrible human. It just makes them human. Fuck you, Kyle.